Hi Tutes, how are you? I've again come up with a new video and this time I'll be talking about how to manage the difficult words. Every one of us has our word list or we make a diary or we make a Excel file to note our difficult words. But this time I'm teaching you about a new tool of the freedictionary.com. It's a dictionary site, and if in case you come up with a difficult word, let's suppose mollify, and you type the word, enter it, and you get the meaning of the word. And once you get the meaning of the word, right now you are very clear with the meaning of the word, but you don't know what whether you will be able to recall the word after 2 to 3 days. So what you can do is you can add this word here. There is a box, my word list. You can add this word to your list and you can make your own word list by clicking the button. The new word mollify has come up in this box and it is saved there. And once and you make your own list, you can also download this list by clicking this button, and a pop-up will appear and you can save your file onto your computer or onto your desktop. And once the file is saved, the file will look like something like this, where you can see the meaning of a word, you can see the word and the link uh, of that word. Okay, coming back, uh, there are few points that you should remember while making this list. Once this list is on your computer, that is, this site is using the cache memory of your browser. So if in case at some time you remove the cache memory of your browser from that, you do generally by going to tools and clear private data. If in case you remove this cache data, this list will be removed. So just be clear, very clear, that if you are removing your cache memory, you should have saved your word list on your computer. And this list, I think, can take about 200 to 400 words at a time, and after that you won't be able to add to your list. So it will be better that once you are get 200 words in your list, then save it on your computer. I hope this will help you in making your own word list, and you keep remembering it. Uh, Thank you. I'll come up with some new updates.